Here it is, December 27, 2022. I'm down here and we're into week number 62 of major construction. Down here just to shoot a little bit of sort of off the cuff video today. I'm going to do some anamorphic 1.33 here on the east end of the project, just sort of a little bit of an experiment here. And back across the way here, Love statue and Herb Drinkwater back over there. There's not a whole lot of activity going on. I mean, they're mainly working on the Botanic Gardens, and the canopy, it looks like, was down in the West Paseo, but there was almost no activity in the West Paseo. It was pretty much how it looked when I was down here on the 25th. So I'm going to shoot just a little bit down here on the east end today, where most of the activity seems to be taking place. Back out across the way over there, a gentleman's working with the sprinkler heads, probably getting that fine-tuned, getting that fixed up. Back over here you can see across the lagoon into the Botanic Gardens, a lot of people back in that area working to get the Botanic Gardens fixed up. Today the clouds are moving in and thickening up, starting tonight, then into tomorrow and on up to through Friday. I think we're going to be into a period of rain down here, so it may curtail activities. Also back over here you can see they brought in more plants back over here for the place in the Botanic Gardens, I believe. So just shooting a little bit down here today and exercising my anamorphic lens, which let me change something here. I'm gonna mess with my focus. For some reason now it's always something with this video equipment, I tell you. For some reason my focus is locked, which I don't like at all. But I think it's, I don't know why the focus is locked. Alrighty, let me stop this here. Just quit goofing around. Shoot a little something somewhere else here. Alrighty. Right here I moved down the fence a little bit closer to the plants they brought in here for the Botanic Gardens. I'm going to shoot a little bit of this. Managed to fix my focusing issue, which was something to do with trying to pull focus there, but always something when you're shooting video with this stuff. So let me just pan back across here, shoot a little bit more here. This is really kind of a throw-off video today. So I'm shooting just a little bit here, panning around with the anamorphic. I haven't, like I said earlier, I haven't used this in a while. I like to shoot with it, but it is kind of a pain. Makes audio a little more iffy, but that's what we got going on down here. I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to move on around to the East Bowl, where I don't think there's much going on down there, but we'll see. Alrighty. Just a real quick shot here. The site is taking delivery of looks like the plants and stuff that'll be used to in general landscape the area inside the site over there. So these guys are delivering a lot of looks kind of desert flora type of plants into the area. So we can see all kinds of incremental stuff getting done to move the site forward, getting plants and stuff in that'll be used all through the site out there to get that fixed up. Alrighty. Right, here I am shooting into the social hub. Back over here, you can see we got some guys working down here in the area, doing some stuff. And if I pan on back around here towards the east bowl, there is some guys doing some welding and work on the canopy down here, if I can get around to it. So slowly moving this along, getting it fixed up. Probably won't pour concrete down here till after New Year's Day, I would think. Whole site seems like it's kind of sluggish today. And you're going to start a period of rain tomorrow, so probably not a lot's going to happen the rest of this week. They're just going to tie up some loose ends here and there. So let me pan back around up here and on around, and it's going to be a real short. This will be kind of a test video, as I said. I'll see if I can remember how to do my anamorphic setup in Final Cut Pro here. But this is what we got going on down here today. Got that whole sluggish period between Christmas and New Year's when the things kind of grind to a halt overall. So I'm going to finish this up here and head back home and get this all fixed up for what it's worth. Alrighty.